Thank you so much for joining me, Ramiro. Let's start off to just hear a little bit more about you. I'd love to hear more about your journey.
I live here in Canada, exactly in Calgary, for 3 years and a half ago, and working in my country for 70 years old, like a helicopter pilot. And after move here for different situation with all my family, my wife and my 3 daughters, and after I arrive here and start my new life, my new history with all my family, my wife and my daughters.
I'm curious about what made you interested in working at IKEA and starting a new career path with IKEA.
The environment is so very nice. The culture in IKEA is perfect for me. I couple it very good, and I continue in my process for working here. And this is the best opportunity I received in my life.
That's so nice to hear. And I understand 2 of your daughters work with you at IKEA Calgary as well. I'd love to hear more about what that experience has been like working with them.
Yes, my old daughters, Laura, she has 23 years old now, and Diana, she has 19 years old. They like think like me in this gratitude for IKEA and give all the best for the company and the job. Is the passion, is love and passion for all this. And in my family, all my family love IKEA because it's more second home, really.
If you could describe IKEA in one word, what would that be?
Oh, in one word, family. It's the family. Because I stay here in IKEA more time in really my home. Of course, I love it, my family, my daughters, but my long time is in IKEA. It's like my brothers, my parents, my sons. It's the same. All coworker is different. I stay with they all time, smile, talking about problems, about anything. It's like family. They're really just one word, family.
That's so wonderful. And I just want to say a big thank you, Ramiro, for sharing your story with us. It's been so inspiring listening to you, getting to hear more of your journey at IKEA, and really coworkers like you leading through our values every single day. Thank you so much.